Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making Gajrela, which is a carrot and rice pudding made with milk and sugar. It is also known as Gajar kheer. To make this dessert, I have taken 500 grams of carrots which have been peeled and shredded, 1.5 liters of half and half milk which is 10% fat, 1.25 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of rice which I soaked for 1 hour, quarter cup sliced pistachios, 6 to 8 whole almonds sliced thinly for garnish, and then I've taken 8 to 10 almonds, soaked them in water, peeled them, and then sliced them. These we will add to the pudding, and 1 teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds. After soaking the rice for 1 hour, I drained it and then rubbed them between my fingers in order to break them. You can use a food processor to grind them coarsely. I placed a heavy bottom pot on medium-high heat and added the milk. I'm using half and half, which is 10% fat. If you're using regular milk, then you will have to cook it a little bit longer as it will take time for it to reduce and become thick. And now we will wait for the milk to come to a boil. It has taken 10 minutes and the milk is boiling perfectly. At this stage, I reduced the heat a little bit so that it doesn't overflow and added the crushed rice and the grated carrots. Mixed both with the milk and then we will add the cardamom powder. I like the flavor of the cardamom powder, so I'm using 1 teaspoon. If you wish, you can reduce or increase the amount. After adding all these ingredients, we will increase the heat to medium-high again and wait for it to come to a boil again. Once it starts boiling, we are going to reduce the heat to medium-low and let it cook until the milk is considerably reduced. While it's cooking, we will have to stir it often so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. It has been cooking for half an hour now and it's thickened a bit, so now we will add the sugar. Mix it with the rest of the ingredients and add the peeled and slivered almonds. I am using peeled almonds in the Gajrela as the skin separates while cooking and it does not look good or taste good. At this stage, we will also add half of the sliced pistachios. After adding the sugar, the Gajrela will become thin again. So we will let it cook for at least 20 to 30 minutes until it starts to thicken. The carrot and rice pudding has been cooking for 20 minutes now, and as you can see, it has thickened considerably. We are going to mix it together and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. The Gajrela will thicken after it cools. So at this stage, we are going to shut the heat off. Before serving the Gajrela, we are going to garnish it with our leftover pistachios and the whole sliced almonds. And then keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours for it to cool. And there you have it. Our full of color and flavor Gajrela is now ready to serve. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, do subscribe my channel. And by pressing the bell icon button, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!